Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 9 by one day. Now look at here in the screen, right? You will see the calendar. This is the picture of the calendar in which you will find out all the 12 months and the dates and days of the week. So basically there are 7 days in the week. First day is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And Sunday is a one day because we'll have a holiday on this day. Okay. So let's begin with this concept. Is Sunday a fun day for you? Oh, yes, definitely Sunday is a fun day for us because it is a holiday. Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Now you tell. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Look at here. First, second and third. Third day is the Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Friday. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the fifth day of the week and which is a Friday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. See, Monday, Tuesday, first, second. The last day of the week is Sunday. Which day will come after Sunday? After Sunday again there will be a Monday. Sunday के बाद Monday आएगा. And before Sunday, what is the before Sunday? Before Sunday there is a Saturday. So this way you will remember the name of the days and you can write down the question answer based on that. There is a very easy trick to remember the position of the day in a week, that is by using your card. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So you can easily find out first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth आया, अब यहाँ तक count करेंगे. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. See, the sixth day is the Saturday. So this is the way you can also count the days. Now look at the next page, page number 67, where you will find out some more question answer after Wednesday. After Wednesday, there will be Thursday. Before Wednesday, there will be Tuesday. And after Sunday, 2 days after Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So that's a Tuesday. And 4 days after Wednesday, that's super easy to count. After Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So which is the 4th day after Wednesday? Sunday. 7 day after Monday, so that would be the again Monday. Look at here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Okay, so this is the way. जो month day दिया है उसको नहीं count करना. You have to start after that day. And one more important thing, each and every day should be start with the capital letters. Okay, उसमें कभी small letters नहीं होता है. These are the proper nouns and proper nouns should be start with the capital letters. So we can start with the capital letters. Okay. Now next question is, which day do you like most and why? I would love Sunday most because it is a holiday. What is the day today? Today is a Monday. See, the answer will be vary. यहाँ पे ये change हो सकता है. मैं जिस दिन का video कर रही हूँ, I'm writing according that. It is a Monday. And which day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And which day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And which day will it be the day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow, that would be Wednesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday and day after that, Wednesday. Which day was it the day before the yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday and day before that, Saturday. So this is the way you will just think about the days and write down the answer according. Now, teacher. There is a game. Some children of class 2A love to play teacher. They have decided to take turns in playing the teacher's role. Here are the names of the days and who will play teacher's role on the particular day is being listed over here in a table. Based on that, there are some question answer on the next page. Now fill in the blanks. Blank will be the teacher the day after Friday. What is the day after Friday? Saturday. Friday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? Saturday. So Saturday को कौन है? Rehnuma. So I wrote there Rehnuma. Fine. Now number B, blank will play the teacher's role on the day before Tuesday. Day before Tuesday there would be Monday. So Monday को कौन है? Vaibhav. Vaibhav is there. And next, Gaurav will play teacher's role on the day after blank. Okay, Gaurav, देखो यहाँ पे Gaurav है, right? Gaurav played on a Wednesday, but Wednesday comes after Tuesday, so Tuesday will answer. Okay, Deepak will play the teacher's role on the day before blank. Okay, so Deepak played as a teacher on Friday. So what is the before the that day? Thursday. Okay. Deepak will play the teacher's role on the day before Saturday, because Friday comes before the Saturday. So this is the way we will write down the question answer. Now game every day. Okay, so this is the timetable of class 2A, Monday to Saturday, as it we have 6 working days, and this is the timetable of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Based on this timetable, there are some question answer on the next page, page number 69. Look at the timetable of class 2 and fill in the tables. Here are some periods on which day it will conducted, that we have to write down on the opposite side. So drawing would be taken at 2 days in the week, which is Thursday and Saturday, and the Tuesday. See, there are 3 days, so you have to find out properly. There are 3 days on which it would be conducted. Tuesday. Fine. Now you have to find out the music. Okay, music. There are, yes, there are 3 days for the music: Friday, Thursday and Monday. So here Friday, Thursday and Monday. Now we will find out the period of games. Come on, let's check it out. 1, 2 and 3. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So here now library also would be conducted on 3 days: Saturday, Wednesday and Tuesday. And write down here. Now next, in your class, आपका क्लास का टाइम टेबल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर लिखने हैं. बट दिस टाइम इन द कोविड एरा वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू द फुल फ्लेज टाइम टेबल लाइक दिस, सो वी कैन नॉट able to do that. But according to this timetable, you can write down the answer yourself. Okay, this assume that this is your class timetable and you will write down the question answer based on it by yourself. Now turn your page. Favorite months. Now month, there are 12 months in a year, right? So we'll move on to the years. One day Shona, Arjun and Zeba were talking about their favorite month. My favorite months are May and June. I can eat mangoes then. Then he said, I like December because Christmas comes in December only. And she says, I like July and August because it's rain in these months. Okay. So which month do you like the best? You have to write down the answer yourself. In which month I think I would love mango. So I would like the best month is the May month because we get the mangoes during that time. And draw what you like to do in your favorite months. And in the May month, we'll have a 10-day of vacation. And for the student, there is a longer vacation. So basically, we will draw some activity like we are going for the shopping, we are going for the picnics, right? So we'll do a lot of things here. It is up to you which thing is your favorite that you have to do in that your particular month, and you have to write down, draw over here. So you will do it by yourself. Next, page number 71. where you will find out this, filling the table, what I like best. So the best thing is fruit, I like mango, so it comes in the May month. Vegetable, I like carrot too much, so December, January, February सब month में carrots आते हैं. Flower, that you will write down yourself, which flower do you like the most and in which season it will come, you have to find out yourself. Write the name of the 5 festivals that you and your friends celebrate, and also write the month in which these festivals come. So here I wrote some of the name of the festival that we are celebrating together, like Diwali, which comes in November, Christmas comes in December, Uttarayan in January, Republic Day again it comes in January, and Shivratri it comes in a March month. और ये सारे festivals हम अपने friends और family के साथ celebrate करते हैं. Now look at the next page. Here is a blank space where you have to draw the scene of any of the festival. आपको कोई भी festival का scene draw करना है. The names of some of the months are missing in the list given below, and fill in the name of those months. As I told you before, there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Look at the calendar to find out which is the first month of the year. So here are the lists. We can easily find out the answer from this list. So the first month of the year is a January. Then which month comes after the March? After March there will be April. Which month comes before August? Before August there is a July. And which is the last month of the year? That is December, which is going on right now. Look at the next page. February is different. Why? Because February month has either 28 or 29 days. It has not 30 or 31 days as like the other months. So there are 4 months having 30 days, 7 months having 31 days. February is the shortest month. In some years it jumps for fun. Okay. So long months have 31 days and short months have 30 days. ऐसा कुछ उन्होंने conversation किया. Now look at the calendar to find out which month have 30 days. So April, June, September and November, these are the month having 30 days. And how many months have 31 days? So there are 7 months having 31 days. And how many days are there in the February? As I told you, there are 28 or 29 days in a February. Then how many days together are there in May and June? In May and June, we are having total 61 days, 31 plus 30. And how many Sundays are there in the July? Right now, in this 2020, July month have 4 Sundays. And what is the day on your birthday? My birthday was fall on Monday in August. So, how many days do you get for your summer holidays? Most probably we are getting the 10 days. And how many winter holidays? I think we in India we are not having the winter holidays because we are living in such a hot region where we do not get the winter vacation. But yes, in the northern region of the India we are getting the winter vacation or winter holidays, because as there are too much of cold over there. Now look at the next page, page number 74. There are some dialogues from the different part of our country. These are some children. They are living in the different part of the country and the weather is different everywhere. Okay, the climate is different everywhere. So here is Ashraf. I'm Ashraf. I live in Kashmir. Most of the time here the wind is very cold. It makes my teeth chatter. I like to sit in the sun or near a fire. Kashmir is a very cold place. It comes in the northern India and it is quite cold. Then next, I'm Lakshmi. I live in Chennai and these days the sun is too hot. My feet burns if I walk barefoot and I like to sit in a pool. Okay, तो ये लक्ष्मी है. Lakshmi is living in Chennai. Chennai basically comes in the South India, which is quite hot. And barefoot वो नंगे पैर नहीं चल सकते, without चप्पल्स वो नहीं चल सकती है because of the very hotness. So next, I am Rabia and I live in Meghalaya. Here the rains just don't stop. The sun is hiding behind the dark cloud. And नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है मेघालय. एंड मेघालय में क्या होता है, कांस्टेंट रेनिंग होती है होल द ईयर. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन वी आर फेसिंग इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया. सो देर इज़ नो perfect holiday for summers and winters in each and every region. Okay, as per the climatic situation उनको वहाँ पे vacation मिलता है. Now look at the next page, page number 75. Here there are some question answer. Have you ever felt your teeth chatters due to cold? Yes, definitely. During the quite cold season, during the quite severe winter, we feel that, right? And your feet feel hot on walking barefoot? Yes, in May month we cannot walk without chappals, right? Name one month when you can easily walk barefoot. I think January and December, these are the 2 months right now we can wear we can walk without our chappals. And number 2, have you seen it raining for many days? Yes, in a rainy season sometimes the weather was like that and there is a rain for long period of time. In which month does it rain in the most in your area? I think it's August month. And which are the hottest month in your area? I think May, without fail. And which are the coldest month in your area? December, which is going on right now. And which fruits and vegetable are see a lot of in the market in these months? Write or draw. So different season has a different fruits and vegetable. So in May and June we are finding mangoes, watermelon, muskmelon and mulberry kind of fruits. Whereas as a vegetable we got bitter gourd, brinjals, cucumber, ladyfinger. We'll find out this kind of vegetable in the summer season. And December, January is a winter season. In winter season we'll find out fruits like guava, apple, orange and pineapple kind of citrus fruits. And vegetables, green leafy vegetables like cabbage, carrot, spinach and peas. Okay, so we'll find out this kind of variety of vegetables and fruit in a different season. Okay, so this is it for this session. Next time we will continue in the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.